Hello everyone, myself Nishtita from CSCI. My topic is landfill and factory considered while selecting a landfill site. Let's talk about landfill. What is landfill? Landfill is a place where waste is dumped to dispose of it. It's the most common way to get rid of waste and it's the oldest method. Landfills are designed to protect the environment from contaminated in the waste. They are built away from inhabited area, farming area, and drinking water resource. Landfills are also monitored from groundwater contaminants and the landfill gases. Here are some other factors about landfills. Design. Landfills are shaped using diggers and covered with a water resistant coating. Waste. Waste is crushed and compacted to take up less space. Decomposition. Waste can take years to decompose in a landfill due to condition and the materials. Regulation. Landfill must meet the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act operation and closure requirements. Waste management. Landfillings are the part of large waste management system. The EPA encourage communicates to reduce the volume of toxicity of waste by favoring source reduction. When selecting a landfill site, many factors consider including geology, hydrology, topography, proximity, land use, climate, and buffer zones. Geology. The word geology means study of earth, also as geoscience or earth science. Geology is the primary earth science and looks at how the earth formed, its structure and composition, and the types of process acting on it. Geology is concerned with the history of its Earth over the course of its 4.5 billion years life. By studying the structure of Earth, we can unlock its hidden past and anticipate its future. Hydrology. Hydrology is the scientific study of momentum, distribution, and the management of water on Earth and other planets, including water cycle, water resource, and drainage basin sustainability. A passionate of hydrology is called a hydrologist. Hydrologists are scientists studying earth or environmental science, civil or environmental engineering, and physical geography. Using various analogical methods and scientific techniques, they collect and analyze data to help solve water related problems such as environmental preservation, natural disasters, and water management. Topography. Topography is the study of forms and features of land surface. The topography of an area may refers to the land, forms and features themselves or a description or distribution in the map. Topography is a field of geoscience and planetary science and it is concerned with the local details generally including not only relief but also nature, artificial and cultural features such as road, land, borders and buildings. Proximity. The site should be always from ecological fragile area, airports, human habitation, and water bodies. It should always be reasonable distance from metropolitan area, major highways, roads, railways, pipelines, and power lines. Proximity to a landfill can have negative impact on environment and the health of the people living nearby. Environmental impact, air quality, water contamination, health impact, property value, prescription, distance from the water resource, environmental, economic, and social matrix, geographic information system. Land use. The term land use refers to the function or purpose related to how humans use the land. The land used is subjected to zoning and other regulation. There are six main characters or types of land use. These types including residential, commercial, agricultural, transportation, recreational, and industrial use. Land use is an umbrella term to describe what happened and purchase of a land. It concerned the benefits derived from using the land and also the land management acting the human carry out there. The following characters are used for land uses: forest land, cropland, grassland, wetlands, and settlements, and other lands. Climate is a long-term weather pattern in a region, typically averaged over 30 years. More rigorously, it is mean or variability of meteorological variables over a time spanning from months to millions of years. Some of the meteorological variables that are commonly measured from temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, and precipitation. In a broader sense, climate is the state of components of a climate system, including the atmosphere, hydrosphere, triosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere, and the interaction between them. The climates of a location is affected by its latitude, longitude, terrain, altitude, and land use, and nearby water bodies and their currents. Buffer zones. Buffer zone is a neutral zonal area lies between two or more bodies of a land usually pertaining to countries. Depending on the types of buffer zones, it may serve to separate regions or cojoin them. Buffer zones have various purposes, political and otherwise. They can set up for a multitude reasons such as protection, the environment, shield resistance, and the commercial areas from industrial accidents and natural disaster, or even isolate prisons. Buffer zone after resulting in large uninhabited regions that are themselves noteworthy in many increasingly developed or crude parts of the world that are unintentionally created wildlife sanctuary. Thank you.